So you've cut out your 4 squares, 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Yep. You've got them opposite, so we're all doing the same patchwork. So you learn how to do it, and then you can mix it up if you want. Yeah. So what you're going to need to do first is separate them into 2s, and you're going to sew those 2 together, right sides together, and these 2 together, right sides together. Make sense? Then you're going to grab a set, and you're going to sew them. We're using a 6mm seam allowance. So that, where is that, girls?
Edge of the foot.
Edge of the presser foot.
Edge of the foot.
Edge of the presser foot. So keep it on the edge, keep your edges together, and make sure your cutting is as accurate as possible. Back tack at the start and back tack at the end. Then you're going to go to the iron and you're going to press that seam to one side.
Press it.
Okay, I'll just quickly do the next one. Again, 6mm again, edge of the presser foot, back tack. If I was doing this on my real quilt, I would use black thread, not white, but for the sampling and the video, it shows up a lot better. Yeah. Now you're going to go and press them, and then once you've pressed them nice and flat, just also look, if you've got a dark fabric and it's see-through on one side, press it to the side you're not going to see. Yeah. So in this case, I'm going to press my pattern to the dark side, and on this one, press my pattern to the dark side on the iron. So once I've pressed them, I'll then bring them together and match that seam up, and I'll have one seam going one way to reduce the bulk and the other seam going the other way, matching it perfectly at the center. Yeah? So let's pretend I have already ironed that down. Match those panels up perfectly. You should feel them kind of butt up next to each other, and then 6mm back tack, and then all the way down, and then back tack, and that's your first sample done, and it looks perfectly matched in the middle. That's what we're looking for. Cool.
Why don't we
It's your first sample.